You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the goddess of apples and youth from Norse mythology. If you want to learn more names from Norse, stay tuned. In Norse languages there could be different pronunciations, but generally pronounced as Iðunn, Iðunn, Iðunn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.